Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financiable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can claim your Hamster Kombat coins in wallet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the Hamster Kombat app, which is basically a mini app of the Telegram, and now once you open it you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Hamster Kombat apps on the screen. So now you can see there is a airdrop at the bottom right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on the airdrop and you can see there is a TBA in here. So which basically means to be announced. So you can see there is a withdrawal option. So let's tap on the withdrawal and you can see connect your Ton wallet. So I have already connected it. That's why my connect your Ton wallet option is checked marked. And if you don't have connected, then simply tap on the connect your Ton wallet and you'll be able to first let's get back, and now you'll be able to see the wallets like this. So you need to connect your Ton wallet with the Hamster Kombat. So let's open the wallet first and you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, and you can see there is a Ton space beta in here. So let's tap on the Ton space beta and you can see I don't have any kind of amount in here for now. So let's scroll a little bit down and you can see in the collectibles section there is written as you get collectibles they will appear here. So which basically means your Hamster Kombat coin gonna be added in this section automatically. So basically this is how you can claim your Hamster Kombat coin in wallet, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.